world a different flag of
Nice to be here today for this 75th, I think, edition on today's 24th May. We've got 8,000 plus location Saturday Sundays on cycle program Masi Commonwealth Games 2030 India host and in Ahmedabad Masi Marina function ni haina advaina thamsege Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports Fit India movement ka loina simba function ni advaina masi lebi participate obviously apna I side isu Manipur is known for its sporting talent. We are very blessed and we are very fortunate to have very good sports persons from our state. Manipur sports culture identity of the entire world, not only to India. Manipur government of India, Sri Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji Manipur Ahan National Sports University of the only one in the entire country. Here Sri Madam Sri Karigino had outstanding sports persons there. Manipur encourage the idea of a state, although small, only about 30 lakh population in a total country like state 140 crores only, only 30 lakhs. India very commendable medals Olympics, Asian Games, Commonwealth Games. Medals inherent leisure talents in any very Commonwealth Games medal winner Sarika youth till a certain level, till last 12, 16, 17 years from the talents in but after that somehow they get lost. I believe motivation, encouragement, like talented sports persons, Manipur se medal encouragement talent se ceremony, particularly boxing as a national center of excellence. See, Manipur center of excellence with the backing of all the sports persons.
Next is gold medalist Athana Mathana City gold medal in women's Let's have a round of applause for Madam Sarita Devi. Next, Bhagavad Gita Shindari.